going to be talking about a tool that you can use in your classroom called SuperBetter. It can be installed as an app. You can get it from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. I'm actually going to be demoing it from the website, and I have already created a user in here. I've already signed up, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And basically what this application does is it gets students to think about resilience, being resilient. Because in this time where we have rising anxiety and suicide rates among our even older elementary age kids, it's mental health is something we need to take seriously. And I was thinking if you just implemented this, maybe a Mindful Monday, a Thoughtful Thursday, Free Time Friday, something like that, where even 10 or 15 minutes in this app just to get students thinking about their mental health would be definitely an advantage to the students. So the purpose of this program is to get students to think about being resilient, and they break resilience up into 4 different categories so you can be resilient: mental resilience, emotional resilience, social resilience, and physical resilience. Every day when you come in to the app, you have the option to activate a power-up, battle bad guys, and complete the quest for that day. And you'll see I have an activity feed going here. So examples of power-ups: something quick and easy that you can do to make you feel better and stronger. So, for example, I'm going to select Hug Yourself. So it gives you a brief description of what it is. It tells you what kind of strength. So this is emotional resilience you would be building up. The student will click I did this at the end. They'd get points for their power up, and they'd hit OK. Another area, if we want to go back to the main screen, is activity. So you can battle bad guys. So I'm going to select the self-critic, and it just again gives you a description that basically we're usually our own worst critics, so there's no reason to beat ourselves up. Tells you what kind of resilience. This example is mental resilience. And then the student will click I battled this. And then a little bit further, they are doing some thinking here. Did I do this successfully today? Am I doing it so I don't even need this as a bad guy? And then how difficult is this for me? So they would select that, hit OK, and hit OK. And you see they're getting different points up here at the different levels. Finally, what they can do are called quests. And on here, it's going to start off, just since this is the first day I set it up, it's just going to explain what a quest is. And I've already completed this one, so I'm going to go back to the activity feed here. And I am going to do the first quest, choose my allies. So it's just getting students think in this particular one about how important it is to have people that are on your side. This is social resilience. Okay, and then if they did this, they would get points for that. And then they could just continue. And each day there's new quests, there's new power-ups, there's new bad guys. So it really gets students thinking mindfully about their social emotional health, their mental health. My intended audience would be students. As for 2 ISTE education leadership standards, I thought that this would be under Empowering Leader with 3C and 3D here. And that this would really be a way that social emotional learning could easily be integrated into any classroom.